Welcome to Overview of Data Security. In this unit, we'll delve into the critical aspects of controlling data access in Salesforce. By the end of this module, you'll understand the importance of granting the right people access to the right data and explore the various levels at which you can control data access. Choosing who sees what data is a pivotal decision that impacts the overall security of your Salesforce organization or application. Once your data model is in place, it's crucial to align user access with the tasks they perform and the data they require. Salesforce offers a flexible, layered sharing model that allows you to assign different data sets to different user groups. You can tailor access to ensure security, reduce the risk of data misuse, and still enable users to seamlessly retrieve the necessary information. Let's explore the 4 levels at which you can control data access in Salesforce. Organization. Manage a list of authorized users. Set password policies. Limit logins to specific hours and locations. Objects. Control access to entire types of objects. Use profiles, permission sets, and permission set groups to define object-level permissions. Fields. Restrict access to specific fields within an object. Tailor visibility based on user roles. Records. Manage access to individual records. Utilize organization-wide defaults, role hierarchies, sharing rules, and manual sharing for record-level control. By combining security controls at these levels, you can finely tune data access for thousands of users without the need for individual permissions. Congratulations! You've now grasped the significance of granting the right people access to the right data and explored the 4 levels of data access control. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.